We are here at the University of Utah in the Department of Biochemistry about to do 73 questions with the Roh-Johnson Lab. Down the hall is Mina Roh-Johnson, who is head of the lab. Hey Mina.
Hi Tay.
We're about to do 73 questions with your lab, but before we start, do you mind telling us a little bit about your lab?
Sure, we're a research lab, which means we do a bunch of experiments aimed at answering questions that interest us. We're really interested in how cells, which make up your body, how they function to figure out what goes wrong in diseases.
Oh, cool. So does everyone just do experiments all day?
We do a lot of experiments, but we also read papers to learn about our projects, talk to each other about ideas, as well as go to meetings. Speaking of which, I actually have a meeting to go to right now.
Okay. Do you mind if I talk to some people in your lab?
Yeah, sure. We have students and staff and fellows like Elena, who I think is in tissue culture right now.
Oh, nice. Hey, Elena.
Hey, Tay.
Could you tell us a little bit about what you're doing?
I'm actually just culturing some brain tumor cells to run some experiments. But you know what? I have to go grab some growth factors. Do you want to come with?
Yeah, sure. Is your favorite color blue?
Why is that?
Because you're wearing all blue.
These are scrubs. I'm actually doing specialized training after medical school to be a neurosurgeon. And part of our training is to do some research time.
What's the coolest thing about being a neurosurgeon?
I would say the coolest thing about being a neurosurgeon is at the end of each day, you really feel like you helped somebody. That, and it's like the coolest video game you could ever play.
Wow, you sound busy. What do you do in your free time?
Anything that gets me outside, really. Hiking, biking, camping, fishing, you name it.
If you could say something to your younger self, what would you say?
Ooh, that's a good one. I would say that you can have it all, you just really have to work for it.
Oh, hey Sophia.
Hey Tay.
Can I ask you a couple questions?
Sure.
Okay, first some fun ones. Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I have two. I have a crazy puppy and a sweet kitty cat. They're frenemies.
Okay, what's your favorite season?
In Utah, definitely winter. I love to snowboard.
Okay, how about some science questions to learn a little bit more about you? Is your whole family in science?
No, I'm the only one in my family that's in science. My parents were both civil rights lawyers and my brother does computer engineering.
So did you always know you wanted to do research?
Definitely not. I thought I would do something with languages or in literature, but when I was in college, I took a cell bio class and knew that's what I wanted to do.
What's the biggest learning experience you've had?
I would say to just do the experiment. It's really easy to overthink it and spend too much time planning, and I think it's better to just rip off the Band-Aid.
Oh, there goes my cells in the incubator. Hey Noah, do you think you could take over?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
Oh, hey, Kara.
Hey Noah,
What are you working on?
I'm preparing some zebrafish embryos for an experiment. Zebrafish are a model organism we use in the lab, like this.
Nice. What are your favorite hobbies?
I like cooking and trail running, and recently I've been learning photography.
Okay. And what led you here to becoming a scientist?
I had no idea what science was like at first until I joined a lab in college, and I really liked designing experiments and having my own project.
Okay. And what's your favorite thing about being a researcher?
I like how every day is different and usually challenging in new ways. I'm going to give these to Mackenzie.
Hey, Mackenzie.
Hey Noah.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure.
Are you from Utah?
No, I'm actually from Tucson, Arizona.
Okay. What would you do for a career if you weren't a scientist?
I would love to be a full-time silversmith and make jewelry. It's what I like to do in my free time outside of work.
Okay. And what are you working on right now?
I have some larval zebrafish right here that I'm going to use to watch their cells move and, on the microscope. For my project, I study how cells move throughout the body to get from one place to another to do their job. Zebrafish are a great tool for these types of studies since they're transparent when they're young.
Hey, are you guys going to the science presentation?
Oh, it's 1 p.m. already? Yeah, we're coming.
Yeah, we better get going. Thanks for watching.